August in Mississippi. You can bet I'm ready to fall into fall. Hi, I'm Susan. I am so happy to be participating once again in the Falling into Fall challenge hosted by Shushana of Regal Designs by Shushana. Shushana is so sweet and an inspiration to me, and I really appreciate her hosting these challenges each week. Her co-host this week is Nadia of DIY with Nadia, and we have been on many collaborations and challenges together, and I am so excited to be part of this one as well. And Nadia is so wonderful and talented, and I really love her. Both of their channels will be listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. I highly recommend that you check out their channels as well as the playlist. There's a lot of talent on that playlist. So if you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you think. This all helps my channel to grow. So without further ado, let's get started. I am reusing this bird cage I had used in a previous DIY back in the spring. And this time I'm going to make it fall. And these flowers here I got from Walmart. They were so pretty and they were only 98 cents. And so I'm going to use them as well as a lot of leaves and things from the Dollar Tree. So I just tuck in the leaves that were on the bottom of those flowers first because they were coming apart. So I just glued them down, and then I'm going to glue the flowers back inside the leaves. And now I'm taking some of the leaves from Dollar Tree and I'm trying to pick out the ones that's got the burgundy color on them and tuck them around. And while I'm tucking, let me invite you to my other channel, Susan's Southern Cooking. I do all kinds of recipes and desserts, casseroles, just good home Southern cooking. Come by and check it out. And once I add the leaves, I start adding these pretty burgundy looking berries. I think they're so pretty. And now I'm going to add some ribbon. This ribbon my mom had, and it's probably a good 20 years old, but I love the colors. It's just like a vintagey looking ribbon. I twisted floral wire that I got at the Dollar Tree and just attached it to the top, twisting it on. And first I glued 2 tails on, which I dovetailed. And now I'm just fluffing the bow. After I get my bow onto my birdcage, I add more berries to the center, and I think it just makes it pop and brings it all together. And here's my finished birdcage. I also added that acorn to the top. I think it is so pretty. I just love the dark burgundy colors. That and the blue has been my favorite this season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. So until next time, bye.